Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and commissions, 100% commissions, have recently come in, taking me to a total of $272.95. This is my commissions my commissions box here in the right-hand side. And more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how just with one link, this is called the mega link, you can promote and earn up to 7 income streams. And if you want to get access to a free video, the link in the description is where you can meet this gentleman here. This is Crowe. He's the creator and the owner of the OLSP system and the mega link. And in this short video here, lasts just about 10 minutes, then he will give you an overview of exactly how the Megalink works. I'm going to take you inside the members area. I'm going to show you some proof of commissions, and I'm going to show you step by step the way this system actually works and the value you get with it. So we're going to go into commissions here in the left-hand column, and I'll go right back to the beginning of the journey, show you the multiple income streams proof. So we'll go back to page 6, and I started my journey on December the 6th, so this is 1 month ago today. And Megalink is 100% commission, so it costs you $7 and there's no monthly cost, it's a one-time payment, and the 100% commission on that is $7. This one here is called Mega Messenger. That's a special offer, one-time offer. That's $10.80 commission. And we'll come back to another page here, and then you'll see another Mega Messenger. You'll see lots of Mega Links, so you'll see that Mega Link converts very, very well. And you'll also see in here another one called List Building and Magic Link, and that's another $7 commission there. Let's go to another page and just show you some more here. So another Mega Messenger, lots more Mega Links, and on this page here, there's 3 list building and magic links. Now let me show you the where you can get paid for commenting on Facebook. So these here at 25 cents is where you can get paid for commenting on Facebook. It's a product that you get free when you join the Mega Link. I am going to do some other videos on that, because by commenting on Facebook, it's a great way to be able to get your $7 back that you've paid, the one-time payments. If you're on a tight budget and you want to get your money back, then you'll see I've got all these 25-cent commissions here. So some people are joining, and what they're doing there is they're using that product to get their $7 back. And then we're back up to date here with $279. But really, the way this system really excels, the way that Crowe has produced a great system, is the training and support. He's created all these products himself. So when you join, then you come down here, excuse me, you'll see free and free. So I recommend you first watch these 2 videos, how I made 10 million in commissions. So he's been online 15 years. The 100 commission hack. He does all of these trainings himself. You can access those products there. This one here is where you access your Comment Dominator Pro. So that's where you get paid for commenting on Facebook. And I think if I go on there now, yeah, you'll see that I've made 16 comments and I've already earned $3.25 in commissions just by commenting on Facebook. So I'll do another video on that and show you step by step how that works. But you'll see down here in the bottom right corner, there's a video here that explains exactly step by step how CD Pro works. And if we go into, let me show you now exactly how this system works. It's really important to understand the value and what you're going to get with your mega link. So nothing hard, nothing technical. This is why beginners are getting great success with this product. So this is a training here. When you join the mega link, this is a training here that way there's 6 videos here on training. And what he does, I want to show you exactly now what he does and what he's created. So you'll see in his training here, lots of boxes, but this line that Wayne drawn down here is really important. This is a really important line. He explained it in the training, because everything to the left of this line is all you've got to be concerned with as a member of OLSP and Megalink. All you've got to do is let's just go on to a different, let's just erase that, and let's put a little pencil. So all you've got to do is one thing, and that is learn how to drive traffic to your Megalink. And he will train you in the members area on the right hand side here. Training, he's going to train you. He's got trainings in the members area. He does weekly trainings, weekly live trainings as well, and questions and answers. So he's consistently training you on how to become successful, but how to get traffic to your Megalink. Now your Megalink is just one little link here, top right hand corner. It's just a URL, and all it is, it's just the lead capture page that he gives you, which is, okay, let me just have a look over here and see if I can show you the lead capture page. Let's go back into dashboard. It's important I show you this because there's nothing to create. He's done it all for you. So we've successfully copied that, and then we'll copy that into there, and I'll show you the lead capture page. So this is the lead capture page that he's created. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. This is a 100% done for you system for just $7. So when you promote your link, your prospects will see this page that he's done for you. And all they do is they put their email address into there. And then what happens is they go into a done for you funnel. So on this side of the line over here, on this side of the line, Wayne has created this complete done for you funnel. Everything in here is done for you by him. So what happens is your prospects go on a journey. All right. It gives you the lead capture page. You drive traffic to that lead capture page. Your prospect opts in here, and then on autopilot, Wayne will send out emails for you. Now, within those emails, this is really key. Within those emails is your affiliate link. He's promoting you. He's promoting your affiliate link. And if someone buys, he will promote for you for life with your affiliate links. Now, he's also created his own products. He spent $250,000 on this system. So when the emails go out, your prospects, they get offers. And then when they buy these offers that are starting low ticket, medium ticket, monthly recurring commissions, there's even high ticket products that he's created. What happens then when they buy, you start to earn your commissions. So, and all of this is a one-time payment of $7. So the value is absolutely insane that you get with this system. So you don't have to worry too much about everything on the right-hand side here. He's even created a Facebook group. So this is really where this system really excels. The training, but also the community and the support. because within the Facebook group, especially if you're a beginner and you've never made any money online before, then you need help, support, and training. So you're never going to be on your own. The Facebook group's got 142,000 members. Wayne Crowe himself is very active within this Facebook group as well. And you'll see in here that a lot of people are making their very first dollar online. They're not making just the very first dollar. A lot of the members are getting into profit, which is the key thing with affiliate marketing, is not losing money, but making money, getting into profit. That's the key thing with this in this industry. 95% of people fail because they don't get into profit. They lose money. We want to show you how to not just make money, but make profit. That's the key thing. So the support and the community is another really key component to success with the OLSP system. And there are other products in there. I'm not going to go into great detail today. There are other products. You want to scale up, you can scale up as well. So I'm going to make an income disclaimer in this video because there's no guarantees that this will work for you. I'm not making any income claims. I'm just showing you what works for me and other members. And we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to join OLSP system and promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos a week. I'm doing a video every day at the moment, so lots of new uploads. Any questions on OLSP, please put those in the comments below. The link in the description will take you to this page here, get access to this video tour. I'll put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me and you'd like any help from me. And come and meet Wayne Crowe. He's doing some great work in helping people become successful online with the OLSP system. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.